we have Yumna Zaidi. किसी introduction की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. Let me tell you that she's nominated. Her film is nominated. It's her night today.
Yeah, I'm very excited. First of all, that Lux, I think it's happening after 2 years.
Yes.
Is that the yeah? So we're glad that it's finally happening and happening in Karachi.
Yes.
So we're happy. और नायाब से nominated हूँ. तो नायाब तो हमेशा it's going to
Special.
be very special. Yeah.
Yes.
So yeah, very excited and very relaxed and easy vibe.
हम आखिरी लक्स पे जब लक्स हुआ था ना तो आपने सारे अवार्ड बटोर लिए थे. तो आज भी कुछ इस तरह का इरादा है?
I think I have so many Lux awards now कि अभी I don't know how बस अच्छी vibe से आते. So I think it's going to be great.
That's great.
Yeah.
Yumna, one more thing. Apart from you, who are you rooting for?
Tonight, I think जो ड्रामा कैटेगरी के सारे अवार्ड्स हैं उसके लिए सो आई
Baby Baji,
Durre Fisha and Hania and Sajjal and Durre in 2 categories, so I'm very excited and happy for all of them.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. So guys, I have the ever so gorgeous Ikra Aziz with me. Ikra, how are you?
I'm well.
You're glowing.
Thank you so much.
And I know the glow is like...
Yes, everyone knows now, but yes, that is the glow.
But how are you excited to be a mother? Honestly, that's the next chapter and a new chapter.
The second time around, yes, it's a bit exhausting, but it has been the most beautiful phase of my life. And it's still going on.
Yeah. Excited? Okay. So, I love this yellow on you. Who are you wearing?
I'm wearing Fahad Hussain.
Oh, nice. So, Ikra, what is the vibe? What are you expecting in tonight's Lux Style Awards?
I think it's going to be a fusion of what we have already seen and what is going to come.
Yes.
So it is going to be a mix of everything.
And a new chapter for Lux.
Which you don't know.
Which we don't know.
Yes.
It's like still a surprise for us.
So yes, a little sneak peek into the future maybe.
Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you. Absolute favorite person with me. It feels very unreal and nice, honestly, because हम एक professional space में भी है, but obviously we have some other connection too. We have the gorgeous, the stunning, and she's looking absolutely breathtaking. Please give it up for Mawra Hussain. Hi.
Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
I am obsessed with you and your drama, Jama Takseem, these days. So that's what's happening. We are watching and we are binge watching it. Like एक episode मैंने 2 बार देखी है वैसे पिछली वाली. It was quite थोड़ा सा heartbreak वाला.
Yeah. I'm glad you guys are watching. I'm glad everyone's watching.
And we keep on, Urva and us keep on discussing it also, like the way the drama has elevated different issues. And I think kudos to you for always choosing the right script.
I try. Honestly, the credit is not all mine. It's my directors, my writers, especially my production house. They're very brave. They're very, courageous when it comes to supporting women. So I stand with them because I feel very passionately for the positioning of women in the society. So I try that with our projects, if we don't give a lesson, at least we never harm women, or at least we are never detrimental for any class of our society.
And I do like one more thing that I want to always talk about with you also, is the way that you have a repute in the industry that if Mawra is doing this script, उसमें कुछ ना कुछ होएगा, and especially audience में भी, because I'm speaking audience की तरफ से, कि audience भी जब देखती है when your name is there, so everybody keeps on watching it because they think there's some substance to it. So kudos to you for that.
Thank you. Honestly, I feel that the audience is very, very generous. I do try my best to make sure that the projects are worth your time, but I do sometimes also make mistakes. But I think the audience is so generous that they automatically forget the wrong ones and they only remember the right things I do. So I also love my audience.
And it's winter again, and last winter something exciting happened in your life, and that was your shadi, and we enjoyed it thoroughly. So जिंदगी कैसे चल रही है ये बताएं ना जरा.
जिंदगी बड़ी
Because I keep on watching your stories also, and it's so cute.
I know. I think I am not low-key but very openly obsessed with my husband, and life's beautiful. I think it's just merrier and happier, and it's just alhamdulillah so wholesome. and I think Hajra has made one of the best videos of me and Urva
that's true.
on the wedding. I don't have a video that good जैसी Hajra ने बनाई.
And it got viral in India and so many other countries, and she's keep on like views बटोर रही है अभी तक देखे
बस मैं honestly Amir dancing and Urva and my brother dancing
Yeah.
for me, the way they dedicated their performances to me was the highlight of my wedding for me, and of course Farhan bhai's dedication. I think it was all about dedication.
It was all about dedication and those dance practices also, and the Atan we did at the end, by the way.
Love
Yes.
that.
Yeah.
Oh my god. वो तो जरूरी था ना.
हमने सरप्राइज भी दिया.
हाँ.
So अब पछतो बताइए पछतो कौन से लेवल तक पहुंच गई है?
लग पोएगा.
Lug भाई. Great. Thank you so much, and let's manifest a cover soon for Sunday Times.
Inshallah.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. We have the gorgeous Maya Ali with us again. मैंने उनको अभी यही कहा है कि हमारी किस्मत में मिलना सिर्फ रेड कार्पेट पे होता है.
Sadly, yeah.
But you are looking ever so gorgeous right now. Oh my God, look at the outfit. I love it.
Thank you so much. It's Mark Baumgartner from Philippines, and I love his style.
And look at the sculpture. I love it. I love the. So it was stylist बीच में बोल पड़ा है ना. So I'm like, oh, let me explain the look.
Stylists would be very happy to know this.
So, but Maya, I am looking forward to different projects that you are in, which you can talk or can't talk.
I can. Now I can.
Okay,
Yeah. So one is film Khan Tumhara,
Yes.
which is coming on this Eid ul
I
Adha
love it.
2026, and one is TV drama, which is going to be air on Green Channel.
Amazing. But I'm excited for the film Khan Tumhara. I saw the trailers and the promos, and it looks. I love it.
Oh, thank you so much.
I'm just excited to like जल्दी आ जाए बस अब. You know what I'm saying? Like अब इंतजार बहुत हो गया है. Please.
No, very soon inshallah. और ड्रामा भी जो है वो आहद रज़मीर के साथ है और फारूक रंत उनको डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं, तो वो भी बहुत एक्साइटिंग.
माया, एक चीज मैंने आपसे पूछनी है. आपकी खूबसूरती का राज क्या है?
चांद सा रोशन चेहरा. लक्स.
नहीं, आपने कहा था जरा सा लक्स.
ये नया हमारा है.
Okay.
Lux.
Yeah, Lux. But Maya, I'm super excited for your film, for all your projects. 'Cause when we see you, मैं मनमाइल वाला fan हूँ, OG fan.
How sweet. Thank you.
So thank you so much, and see you inside. Thank you.
Thank you.
Guys, we have Komal Mir in the house with us, and she's wearing Father San. Look at her.
This is real gold, by the way. Do you believe me? You have to believe me.
I will believe you if you insist. But can I steal you? Yeah, like we are in Karachi, by the way. This is not okay.
I think
You shouldn't say it on
I
camera.
think you should go and ask this to Fahad.
Okay, Fahad is coming. I think we'll ask him. But what's the emotion? How you feeling? क्या expectation है show से?
I'm feeling great. It's actually my first time attending Lux, so I'm super excited, and I think there are really great performances lined up. So looking forward to that.
But you're looking amazing, by the way. I love it. I love it. I can't take my eyes off this outfit and this look. But मैंने चश्मे पहने ना तो ज़रा bedazzle नहीं हो रहा, blink नहीं हो रहा.
Remove them right now.
अब आ रहा है, अब बहुत आ रहा है. Thank you so much. सूरज हमारी सूरजमुखी है हमारे पास, right? Thank you so much,
I'll be
Komal.
seeing you.
Thank
I'll see you inside.
Inshallah. Now I have the very amazing, the beautiful couple, Shreya Munawar and Maheen. First red carpet, I guess.
Yes,
I'm
first red
supposing.
carpet, first LSA.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
And how is it? How is the experience so far? मतलब
been really
दो कदम
fun.
ही लिया आपने, लेकिन मतलब कैसा experience रहा है अभी तक?
It's been very fun.
दो कदम नहीं
नहीं,
लिए
actually हम
हमने.
काफी time से इधर.
Actually, I think we were the first people to walk in
Yeah.
because usually we like to stick to the
We are
timings given.
punctual.
But yeah.
So guys, those who don't know, Sharia is hosting
Yes.
LSA 24th LSA by
24th LSA 2025.
2025. बहुत confusing हो जाता है. Sharia, you both are looking stunning. So who are you wearing?
That's very kind of you. I'm wearing this outfit by Shala Chatur. She's done this specially for me और इसके पीछे एक कहानी है.
जी.
और वो कहानी ये है कि शैला ने apparently ये स्कर्ट जो है last year पहना था और उसी स्कर्ट से उसने मेरे लिए जैकेट बनाया.
Oh, nice.
I think that's a very nice.
And a very sustainable fashion.
Yeah.
And that should be promoted. So
I think
kudos to you.
More to give that love, but sure, sustainable fashion. Yeah.
That's how the fashion people, evolve with like different. But you've always been a very, very well put together looks in all your red carpets. So, क्या thought process है उसके पीछे? सोचते हैं?
You're just a very kind man. I would say I've always been lucky because I've always had great people around me. This time Tabish put this look together. So I've always been lucky because I've always had good people around me who've taken care of me. So just that. Good luck.
So, guys, when are we seeing both of you on our cover on Sunday Times?
I don't know, you guys tell us.
We are ready.
Saturday, and you shoot us on a Saturday, we'll be on the cover on Sunday.
Done. This Valentine, I think this is the couple, the hot couple that we would like to put.
As long as you don't make us wear red.
No, we are not.
Wearing red.
She's wearing it.
Together.
That's my wife, by the way. So
Hi. You look lovely, by the way.
Lovely.
thank you, Maheen. And you were wearing
I'm wearing Rizwan Beg.
Rizwan.
Yeah.
Amazing. And are you a sari person or like?
This is like my fifth time wearing a sari.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
fairly new to the game, but yeah.
Yeah, but
You're carrying it amazing.
Thank you,
You're
thank you,
carrying it
thank
like
you.
a pro.
Thank
Honestly.
you.
So, guys, can't wait to like see you on the stage and enjoy
Inshallah.
tonight.
Inshallah. Let's
Inshallah.
have a good one.
Thank you so much. Thank
I
you.
hope you enjoy as well. Thank you.
I will. Don't worry about that.
so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, guys, so I have the very cool person with me, and that's Mr. Hassan Rahim.
How are
Hello,
you?
sir.
कैसे हैं भाई? ठीक है?
All good.
I'm
आप
good.
बताएं.
I am absolutely fine.
आप
Chilling.
बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं, बहुत डिफरेंट लग रहे हैं. I think red carpet के हिसाब से. Who you wearing?
Carpet भी तो red नहीं है.
हाँ, सही बात है. वैसे
तो
white
मतलब
है.
different.
White है. So who you wearing?
I'm wearing. This is a timeless piece. I'm wearing cyanide on the shorts. It's like
nice.
a jort ulta scene. तेराक के जूते हैं मेरे. दादी अम्मा के मोजे हैं.
Great.
That's how we roll. और
So-
टिक्की की हुडी है.
Hassan, we are obsessed with your new album, दिल के पर्दे. तो आपने तो दिल के पर्दे खोले हैं, फिर सब ने खोले हैं और सब. I used the word addicted by the way before we just rolled in. So क्या कहना चाहेंगे response के बारे में about on your new album?
यही चाह रहा था कि आपकी तरह और मेरी तरह सारे लोग अपने दिल के पर्दे खोलें.
है ना?
और मतलब अभी ज़्यादा बात नहीं करनी पड़ती किसी को. आपको कुछ भी महसूस हो रहा होता है, आप मेरा एक गाना चला लो
सही बात
तो आपको आपका महबूब मिल जाएगा.
अगर आप मेरे Instagram पे जो लोग जाते हैं ना, उनको पता है कि मेरे सारे कैरोसेल के पीछे आपके गाने लगे हुए हैं.
लगे हुए अभी चेंज करवाने पड़ेंगे क्योंकि मैं नए गाने बना रहा हूँ.
Nice. So Hassan, you are performing today. I heard. दूर से.
सरप्राइज.
Oh, sorry. Was it a surprise?
मैं नहीं कर रहा परफॉर्म.
ये नहीं कर रहे परफॉर्म, लेकिन फिर
बैठ रहा हूँ.
बैठ रहे हैं आप, इसलिए आप इतने जल्दी आए हैं.
एग्जैक्टली, वरना मैं कभी नहीं आता.
चले. So best of luck and sir, nice meeting you. Nice. So guys, we have the ever so gorgeous, the ever so stylish and an outstanding actor, Sanam Saeed.
Thank you. You look so cool.
Thank you, and so do you.
What are you wearing?
I'm wearing Zuhem. It's a Bangladeshi designer, and it is straight from Paris Fashion Week.
बहुत मजेदार.
Yeah, thank you so much. But you look stunning. In
Thank you.
Hussain Rehad.
Yes, thank you.
I could guess. So you're hosting tonight.
I am.
How's the emotions?
Sharyar Munawar and I are hosting. I'm really glad to have him by my side. Sarmat Khusad has written a script, so I'm excited to have that also. It's great being in front of Mahota Palace as your backdrop. तो अच्छा है, सबा लक्स छोटा है, intimate है, ज़्यादा personalized मुझे लग रहा है. I think ज़्यादा काम की बातें हो रही हैं, so I'm grateful to be hosting it this time.
And and you're returning back to screen with your new drama.
Well, after Manto now, yes, Kafil in the lead. Now Manto karke, I was like, can I do TV again? It's a smaller role, but it's a stepping stone to get back into work, and I think I felt ready, and now I'm taking the lead with Kafil, which is exhausting, but it's a good script.
Yeah, and you are because see, I am a huge fan. Zindagi Gulzar hai abhi tak we watch it on repeat.
Yes.
And we love you, we adore your acting. But one thing what is your process of getting into the character?
I do my homework. I read the script. I just read the script. I discuss it with the director, and उसके ज़रिए फिर and I observe a lot. आम तौर पे I observe people and their mannerisms, and हाँ मैं देखती बहुत हूँ लोगों को.
Great.
तरह क्या करते हैं हाँ.
Thank you so much, and looking forward for the show. I think it's going to be fun.
Inshallah, yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So guys, we have Khakan and Mrs. Khakan to be. What's up?
That's the first time I've heard that, so that's a pleasant surprise. Yeah, sounds nice.
Yeah, you guys look incredible together, and I love what you're wearing today. Who are you wearing?
This is Humayun Alamgir, and
This is a custom piece made by my stylist Elise Diaries.
Oh, nice. So we're gonna see the video soon then. How she made it, because she always put up
Yes,
things.
yes.
I love her videos.
Yes, you're gonna see her working. Yes.
So I saw your Jhuti Kahani. You in Jhuti Kahani, the recent drama. I loved your acting, and आप तो OG हो गए हो अब.
oh, that's
अब आप senior हो गए ना. अब आप junior नहीं रहे. You know what I'm saying? आप छोटे नहीं रहे अब.
that's big praise, but thank you, I guess. Thank you.
Hey guys, how you guys fell in love?
Oh, that's a very long
Keep it short, na? And but I want to know. My audience want to know.
love at first sight. I've publicly said I. You don't okay, so yeah, so I just looked into her eyes and I fell in love. That's the short answer.
And what about you? Like, what is your first impression of Hakan?
Of Hakan. You think, how can I
It's a very like K-drama sort of situation happening here. But so, आपका क्या? When you saw him for the first time, कुछ हुआ दिल में?
I mean, I don't know. I don't
I
really
kind of like him, but I'm not sure.
him. Yeah, he's cute. He's cute.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's it. Okay.
No,
I'll take that. I'll take that.
I thought he was really handsome. The first time I spoke to him, it was a really lovely conversation that we had. He was very insightful. I thought he was extremely intelligent. He caught my attention immediately. I was like, he's so well spoken.
Hakan की इतनी
इतना
तारीफ
funny
है?
ज़्यादा होगी, ज़्यादा होगी.
ज़्यादा हो गई ना?
इससे बस बोलो love at first sight.
Make it believable.
It is believable.
You don't know how the women's psyche works. So that's like she goes deep and like women go deep and like क्यों पसंद आया? आपने तो सीधा कह दिया love at first sight. मैंने उनकी आंखों में देखो मुझे प्यार हो
No,
गया.
I'm gonna sell a book story eventually. So like if you want to know the full story, buy the book eventually.
एडवांस बुकिंग करें जरा प्लीज.
Yeah. अभी के लिए short answer ताकि जरा intrigue develop हो.
Thank you so much guys, and who are you excited for?
I am excited for her. I hope she wins, and I'm excited for Wajahat Bhai. I am looking forward to Asha's performance, Niall's performance. So yeah, plenty of friends that are doing things here.
Thank you guys, thank you, and hope to see you soon on Sunday, like proper interview sort of thing.
Alright.
Or cover. Wow.
Yeah.
शादी का cover भी कर सकते हैं. I'm pitching my ideas here, guys. Don't be serious. You know, we can do anything. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So guys, I have Nihal. Nihal, what's up?
I'm good. How are you?
I love your songs. I love your music.
Thank you. You're too kind.
But आप actress material आपको किसी ने बताया ये? ये बताएं जरा प्लीज.
जी बताया.
क्यों नहीं कर रही एक्टिंग?
मुझे मैं असल में पढ़ाई कर रही हूँ साथ तो मेरे लिए मैनेज करना मुश्किल हो जाता है.
She's a very good girl, by the way. That's why she's like education important है सारे बच्चों के जो fans भी हैं इनके सबके please.
Yeah. I've always given this message कि आपने जो करनी है अपनी hobbies करते रहें, but like always keep the studies first priority.
Who are you wearing tonight?
Fahad Hussain.
Amazing. I love the fit. I love it. I love how she twirls also. She's happy. She's feeling the vibe. आज के vibe के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे for the show today?
I'm actually really nervous. I love the setup and everything. I'm super excited, but मुझे nervousness हो रही है because this is the first time I'm gonna be performing.
So are we gonna वो बारिश वाला गाना देखेंगे हम? I love that song. I love that song.
Thank you so much.
And it is on my feed. I don't know why, but like it's keep coming on my feed, and I'm like, initially I confused you with some Bollywood actress, and I told my friend, मैं देखो जरा Bollywood कितना अच्छा कर रहा है.
Pakistan.
But हम बचपन से Bollywood ही देखते आ रहे हैं ना, तो क्या?
That's too kind of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
आप मेरा पुराना गाना आज सुनेंगे सदके. आज अब वो नया गाना.
बस सदके भी मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
सदके करेंगे.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you inside. Guys, I have my favorite. आसिम अजरक. आपको नहीं पता? नहीं. मतलब हम Style Awards में when we met, I described all your album like from top to bottom.
साल हो गया, so I'm excited कि
we are
साल बाद भी मैं आपका favorite हूँ.
मैं अभी भी सच्चे कबे सुन के आया हूँ. मतलब क्या बात है आपकी. So आपको मैं आसिम अजहर बोल रहा हूँ, आसिम अली.
जो दिल करे. अब क्योंकि आसिम अली सबसे मैंने इंट्रोड्यूस करवा दिया है. हाँ. जो आसिम अली पहले सिर्फ वो लोग कह सकते थे जो मेरे दिल के करीब हैं, लेकिन अब आप सब मेरे दिल के बहुत करीब हैं, तो अब आप जो दिल करे कह सकते हैं.
Thank you. But क्या thought process था? Because there should be a story behind all your songs.
Yeah.
What's the story?
Behind Asim Ali, the album.
The album.
स्टोरी ये थी बॉस के बहुत सारे नैरेटिव्स जब आ जाते हैं स्पेशली मीडिया में एंड सोशल मीडिया पे, तो इंस्टेड उस पर कोई ट्वीट करने के बजाय या कोई स्टोरी लगाने के बजाय बस
आपने एल्बम निकाल दिया.
बस
एल्बम में बात
हाँ
करेंगे.
मैंने कहा एल्बम में बात करेंगे. इससे ज़्यादा खूबसूरत क्या तोहफा है कि आप लिख सकते हैं, आप अपनी आवाज़ से अपना मैसेज दे सकते हैं. सो एवरीथिंग यू हियर ऑन द एल्बम इज़ जस्ट ऑनेस्टी एंड लाइक जो भी मैं पिछले कुछ चंद अरसे से गुजरा हूँ.
That's true. So, because obviously you're in limelight and you've been in the limelight for so long, how do you take care of your mental health?
Oh, that's a very good question. I think I have to give credit to my Amma Abba, my family. They keep me grounded. Like I said, उन घर में घुसते ही आसिम अली, no Asim Azhar, and my friends. Keep good friends, guys. जो आपको हर बात पे yes ना करें.
हाँ.
जो आपको बताएं कि ब्रो ये तूने सही, ये बाल सही नहीं लग रहे, या ये तूने गाना अच्छा नहीं बनाया. So just keep good friends, keep honest friends.
I think that's the key to life and key to a good, healthy mental health.
And just also a tip यार, नमाज से बहुत सुकून मिलता है.
ले लो, लिख लो. Guys, लिख लो. But sir, I am excited and I can't wait to listen to your new album, Asim Ali, in your concert.
Yes, we're gonna do a tour soon.
कब? मुझे आप टिकट देंगे फ्री या नहीं, ये बताएं प्लीज.
आपको हम बैक स्टेज एक्सेस देंगे
सर.
हाँ.
ये प्रॉमिस कर दिया आपने.
हैंडी कैम से, एक हैंडी कैम के साथ, आपके माइक के साथ आपको हम पूरा एक्सेस देंगे.
सर ये देखिए, इन्होंने प्रॉमिस किया है. अगर ये प्रॉमिस फुलफिल नहीं होगा, स्टोरीज पे लगाऊंगा मैं, ये स्टोरीज पे. प्रॉमिस. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.